This morning, I'm in the garden. This morning I'm out here at the bean vines, picking beans that I thought I was done picking about a month ago. But I know this video is kind of starting at the end because I didn't make videos when I was planting the beans. So just kind of a quick overview on our bean patch. I have two arches out here built from cattle fence or cattle panels, and both arches come together in the middle. Now I had cucumbers on one side earlier this year, got a small cucumber crop, and then had some issues with those. But the beans have done great. We had gotten a lot of beans off of these, and then about a month ago, I guess when the heat came on for the summer, they kind of stopped producing, and some of the leaves started yellowing and they kind of started dying back. So I kind of figured they were about done for the year. I had done a later planting of bush beans elsewhere in the garden, and so had started picking those. But I figured these were kind of done, so I thought, well, what beans we get, I'll just let them grow out and mature and produce seed for next year. Now just see, so I've kind of been ignoring these, to be very honest, and then I come out the other day and I notice I've got beans everywhere out here. So it looks like we're going to be getting more beans. So out here picking this morning. I should have brought a bigger bowl. Well, I'd say that was a pretty good haul for one morning's picking, especially for some bean vines that I had pretty much given up on for the season. So I can't say how happy I am that I went ahead and built these cattle panel trellises. Last year I put these beans, and by the way, these are Blue Lake variety pole bean. I just built a fence to use as a trellis, and you can see how high they've gone on these trellises. Having a fence that was about 4 feet high, they overtook it pretty quickly and then started to fall over and became a tangled mess. So this has been great, and having the beans being able to go two ways kind of spread them out that much more. They still kind of pile up on top, and I get some beans that hide up in there, but I'm able to stand underneath and kind of reach through and look through the leaves. I know I've missed some this morning, and I'll have to come back and do another picking to try to catch the ones I missed. But in the end, the ones that I miss ultimately, those will fully mature and they'll become seed for next year's garden. So it's all good. I'd love to know how your beans are going this year. Feel free to put a comment down below and let me know how your garden's doing. Did you get a good bean harvest? Are you still harvesting your beans? We're in zone 6B here, and so we're starting to come into our fall and have our first frost coming up here in about a month. So looking towards the end of the season and late fall crops, but obviously still getting some, and we've got some more harvesting to do. So looking forward to that. You maybe you've seen my beekeeping videos here, maybe you've seen some of my banjo videos here. If you like those, or if you like this gardening content, go ahead and tap that like button down below. Thanks for watching.